What's going on, guys? E-Bibbs here, Mr. Remote Life. Got a good one for you guys. Yeah, I'm upstairs, but this is my temporary work location in the morning because I got a little fella while mama works. But I'm gonna try that Impossible Burger today, if I can find it. So let's try it. Come on. Oh yeah. Well, we got a meeting first, and then it'll be in our lunch time area. So stick around. It's a little temporary workspace right here. And till then, let's get it done, y'all. Alright, so just finished the meeting, so we're about to head out. And I gotta find this Impossible Burger somewhere here in town. One of these BurgerKings got to have it. And we're gonna get the little fella back here some G-free bread for his sandwiches. Isn't that right? You ready for some G-free bread?
Yeah.
Alright, so come along, y'all. Let's go. Are you all loaded in? Alright, we gotta make sure we got our phone turned on for work. Got another meeting in about 45 minutes.
Yep.
Turn some air on.
Daddy works from home, Mommy works from home. So sometimes we have to do work while we're out and about. Okay? Okay.
And I work from home.
Yeah.
You work from home too?
He was like, and I work from home too, Mom. I work at home, I work on my puzzles, I do my car wash, and I use my computer.
Alright. Can't wait for that butt to go to school. So, man the camera for me.
Hold on, I gotta put my shoes on.
Don't say boo.
Boy. Alright, fresh market first.
What do you want footage on?
I'm actually recording now, so.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Right. Get some sunnies on.
Yes, great. Alrighty.
Yeah, so you have to man this because I don't do this while I drive, Mom.
Where am I pointing at? At you or the street?
Capture everything, it don't matter. In this fresh market here.
You want a freebie?
Get it from over here.
Okay, that's your orange. Okay, y'all much standard.
Let's go eat some bread.
Or those cotton candy grapes. We got some at home, but I can't find the cotton candy.
I don't think the cotton candies are in season anymore. Yeah. Well, here's a candy sweet, but they're tiny.
Why are you so little? We good. We got some. These are grapes.
Muscadine though. It's like what Grandma have in her yard.
That's exactly right.
A few moments later.
All right, so round 2 had to go back to the house, and I still haven't got my Impossible Burger. But as you can hear, the call is still going. So, but I had to jump back on the computer because they didn't want to do a screen share. So we are back to this Impossible Burger search. All right, let's get it.
So great job, John, for checking before you do. That's a good thing to do. Just check before you do, just one final confirmation to make sure you're not something changed or you didn't make a fat finger. So that worked out. But yeah, it would be bad if you were over it. I'm pretty sure
Let's just say that at this point it's cool to go back.
So what you think? Is this Impossible Burger gonna be good? Is it gonna taste like
Which was major.
some dirt?
You know, that's
It would probably be good.
Well, you don't know who BurgerKing is?
Oh, we know. We know. We're not gonna call
What
them
are they doing?
now.
I'm
So do we have? Oh, we have an Impossible Burger sign. You gonna try one?
No.
Why you say it like no?
Absolutely not.
You want to try? You already ate. You ate a sandwich.
Yeah. Speaking of something, I'm working on these right now.
Probably gonna get one of those Whopper Junior meal.
One of those.
Whopper meal. Do I have to hold this one?
I gotta order the way I order my normal.
Alright, so
No,
I'll
like
let
when you
them
order.
know that you guys
Oh.
will work it out.
Okay.
Share with you as well.
Come on, cameraman.
I'll
I
get
didn't
that
know
request back.
what you want.
What's up, BurgerKing? Can I help you?
Yeah, I wanna order the Impossible Burger meal.
The Impossible Burger meal?
Yeah, I wanna get that with no ketchup, and I wanna add cheese to it.
What's your drink?
Strawberry lemonade.
What else can I get you?
I want a double cheeseburger. I'm sorry, bacon double cheeseburger plain.
Can I get a bacon double cheeseburger meal plain?
Well, it doesn't have to be a meal.
Bacon double
You
cheeseburger,
want the meal?
meal plain. What's your drink?
Hang on, what you want?
How
That ain't
much
what
is
you want?
that meal? Because I'm looking at the $2.49. I don't want the Bacon King. Never mind. We're good.
It's
Coke.
$5.
A Coke.
Coke.
What else can I get you?
That's it.
Who was the first one? What's up?
Alright.
You see, I was ordering from the value menu.
I didn't see that.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you. Yeah, because we won't really eat all the fries. Jake, you already had.
Because I didn't want them to. This is heavy. I didn't want them to charge us for the huge Bacon King or whatever.
Yeah, I didn't order your bacon. I said bacon
Baconator.
cheeseburger. Yeah, baconator. This ain't Wendy's. Tell how much we go out to Burger King and whatever.
I have
Did you
eggs.
guys give me a Sunday one?
What happened is that I'm using eggs because
Huh? Hey, what are you doing? Stop bending your head all crazy and breathing all hard.
Listen, by the time we get home, I'm going to write the rest of my videos and then.
About to see what it's like. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, me. Okay. We go I'm going to play the game.
You gonna play the game?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win?
And I'm going to win.
Alright. Yo, if this joint nasty, I'm throwing that out the window. No, I'm playing.
It might be good.
I might throw up though.
Just take a little bite, not a big.
I am. But I ordered it the way I would order it. I used to order a Whopper way back when we ate Whoppers. Dang, I had a burger in like a year.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're back at the crib and or the house, and about to see what this burger like. So let's check it out. Yeah, y'all see my D's little rug for the deck. It's been rainy so much. Good. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Hey, let me try this out. Okay, it's gonna taste this new sandwich made from plants.
Wait.
This is the Impossible Burger. Let's see what we're working with. Get down. Get down. Are you gonna change in your slippers that fast? It looks like real beef.
It does?
Yeah, it looks like real meat.
Oh, yeah.
Feels like potato chips.
It tastes like potato chips. You think so? All right, let's give it a try.
Okay, let's give this a try. That milk fries.
What do you think?
Yeah,
It's actually good.
Fries.
Really?
Yeah.
Trying
Wow.
to figure
It has like an undertone.
French fries in there actually. Okay, so
It has a bean and lettuce undertone.
Try for me to eat. Try for
Yeah.
Lettuce.
me to eat.
But it has lettuce on it, but I guess that's the mixture.
I like
It tastes more, yeah, it tastes beany. It tastes real beany.
Like beans.
Yeah, like
like
it's, the main plant base is beans. It's basically based off
Is
beans.
that good?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah,
You wanna
it
go
does do.
You want to go get a real Whopper?
It's a good.
No, I'm not eating no crud. Beef tear my stomach up. I ain't had beef for so long. We need these straws.
Should I preheat the oven for chicken fingers?
No, I'm gonna eat it. It's good. It's edible. Stop, boy. What are you doing?
Taste it.
No, you can't taste it.
Hey, you just ate lunch. So does Daddy like it? Yeah.
Okay, I can do it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You still got inside.
It looked like a beef patty. It looked like a Whopper. It's all right. It's good. It has an aftertaste, but it's good. I don't feel like I'm getting sick from eating beef.
Yeah.
So
And you still get that fix. Like
Yeah.
fix. You don't feel like you're missing out.
I mean, with that mushroom burger though,
Which one?
that Shake Shack.
Oh yeah,
My God,
that's better.
it's fried though, so you can't really eat that on the regular. But this has like mayonnaise and stuff on it, and cheese.
Does it taste like BurgerKing?
And that's the thing; it doesn't taste like BurgerKing.
Oh, okay. That's what I was curious about. Like, is it a dupe for your Whopper?
It doesn't taste like a Burger King Whopper. It tastes like a healthy burger, or more like a veggie burgerish.
Sandwich.
Yeah, almost like a veggie sandwich.
Yeah,
clown.
sandwich. It's like a bun.
Yeah, well, we gonna say this is really big fella approved right here.
A big fella approved?
Yeah, it's big fella approved.
Okay, I'm a big fella approved. You know.
Yeah, you daddy's a little big fella. Okay. Okay. But I mean, I don't eat out often like that.
You can eat it.
This is a good option.
This is a good option.
Like on gig days when ain't nothing else around the venue,
Yeah, we can grab that.
and get something fast food.
Oh. Okay, like that. Okay.
It's good,
It is. Cool.
especially with the alternative being beef.
Get that one.
Yeah. You know how you feel when you have beef.
What I don't need is these salty fries.
No, they were good today for some
Me
reason.
too.
Normally they're not good from there.
They're hot and fresh.
Okay. No. That's fine. Well.
Come here and take some of this. Put your slippers on.
Burn this off in the gym tomorrow, so I'm a hoop and I'm gonna go to the gym in the
Oh,
morning.
you just went to the basketball?
Yeah, I haven't been in a couple weeks because I had shows.
Yeah.
All right, so after people come to break all that stuff outside, I'm gonna leave.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna
I don't like
vacuuming
it.
done and the rest of my.
Cause I'm done with work.
Mommy, I like
Yeah.
it.
What?
I like it.
Sorry, baby. You have to take your medicine.
You gotta take your medicine, buddy.
But I don't always not like it.
You gotta take it till you get better.
You're not sharing me.
All right, well, we'll pick it up. We're going shopping later, and you guys are coming along. So, till then. Guys, so yeah, I actually left the other camera at home, but we just left Saks, man. So, if you guys are not aware of Saks All Fifth, and I'm talking about the store Saks Fifth, All Fifth, the outlet, man, you get some killer deals, yo. But we me and the little fella out here at the Beta Walmart here in Charlotte. I call it Beta Walmart because it I'll never have no dang. It's like a smaller Walmart, super Walmart, but it doesn't have everything you'll find at a regular super Walmart. So we call it Beta Walmart. That's just a little inside joke. But yeah, back to the Saks All Fifth. So that's like the unheard of secret if you're not aware of it, because I got little man some shoes for school. They're like regular $80 shoes. I got these joints for like 19 bucks. These joints. They super cold, super cool. Little man, I always like to keep him like fresh, decked out, like low key luxury. Like I don't buy him a lot of J's and stuff. I give him J's every now and then, but I typically like to let him have like just regular looking stuff. And then mama got some Michael Kors pumps. I only spent like $50, man. And it's like, if you ain't hip to it, man, you gotta not spend a ton of money on clothes, because it's just gonna wear down anyway. Like shoes and clothes, you don't spend money on that. Spend money on like your investments and stuff and things that's gonna add value to your life. If you just wearing stuff, just be wearing it. I try not to spend more than what for like shoes. I think my limit now, because I had an old now my limit is like, I don't want to spend more than like 70, 80 bucks on a pair of sneakers, because all I'm gonna do is wear them down anyway, especially if I'm gonna work out in them or if I'm gonna hoop in them. Rocking shoes, I might push it to like 100. It depends on how fly they are, but they have to be like something really nice and dope for me to spend more than that. But that's just me. That's my own thing, and that's just my philosophy. I mean, spend money on things that's gonna last and that's gonna basically give some return to you. Like, treat everything like an investment, man. And but if you're not hip to the Saks Off Fifth, you need to go check out Saks Off Fifth, because you can find some major deals in there. But you got to take your time and walk through it, because a lot of that stuff is returns that's been returned to Saks Fifth off, or Saks Off Fifth Avenue or whatever. I don't even know. I guess that's the name of the store. But this is the outlet I'm talking about. So you can typically find the outlets at any of the Simon outlets. So it'll be like a premium outlets, like in I know here in Charlotte we have a premium outlets on the south side, and then there's one in Mebane that we like to stop in when we're heading back and forth to see family up and down 85. And another spot too, oh my God, Nordstrom Rack. Nordstrom Rack is like the spot. You find so many good deals in there, and maybe we should take y'all on a trip to Nordstrom Rack with us. I think little man is engulfed with his rice cakes and Mario. I don't know. Maybe we'll do a little Nordstrom Rack visit. You finished? Okay. Let me see your cup. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Momo, did you ever have rice cakes, Mr. Momo?
Yes, I had rice cakes before, Mr. Remote Life Jr. Anyway, guys. Sorry I was cut off. The wife called and she had to show me some things. But anyway, like I said, this is the conclusion of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That burger, about an hour or so later, I would not recommend you doing that with a date. Just word to the wise. There's not a date meal. It's a gas maker. So just full disclosure. But yeah, man, if you guys like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe if you want to, man. It's about that remote life, guys. We're getting things done and we're making it happen. So until next time, we out of here. Peace. He would say peace, but he ain't listening. We out.